You are talking about respect. You want somebody to respect you. You want your children to respect you. You want your wife to respect you. You want a respect from your husband or a place you work. But you are not respecting yourself. How do you think that people will respect you without you respect yourself? What do I mean? To someone respect herself or himself is when you are respecting people around you before they will start respecting you. You cannot even lay down to someone. You think that the person will do what? Will respect you. Your children deserve respect. Your wife deserves respect. Your husband deserves respect. Even people outside there, no matter, even your maid in the house, your housemaid, that's what I mean. Even where the place you work, your staffs, they deserve respect. Stop neglecting people. Stop respecting people and expecting respect from people. Charity begins at home. You must learn how to respect people.